Yeah, hello guys, I'm Muhammad Adeleke Abu Muhammad. So the, the insight I'm sharing today is how to build a sellable and successful company. Direction is more important than speed, and because of that, you need to be very intentional in creating a vision and have an idea of the type of company you want to create. And how do you achieve building a successful and sellable company? It's a company that the company itself is a product, not the product you sell. If, for example, you sell Indomie, for example, then that product, Indomie that you sell, is a product. But the second product that is more important is that business of selling Indomie itself. Like, for example, you have a restaurant and you are selling food, which means food is one of your offerings. Then what about if somebody walked in tomorrow that they want to buy your restaurant? Have you been able to build a system in place that anybody that buys it can be able to run it and make money the way you have been making money before? If, for example, you are doing 10 million per day, that's about 300 million per month. Can the person that buys it also be able to make 200 million naira per month? So, and even if you are not planning to actually sell your company, having that idea of building your business in a way that is sellable will make it easy for you to be able to have a branch. You want to have a branch in Germany, in UK, in US, or you want to have a branch in Port Harcourt, another one in Lagos. It depends, because what differentiates a small company from a big company is actually the system they have, not necessarily their bank accounts. It's the same way of thinking, and the business dynamics has changed now. It has changed a lot. If you look at Uber, for example, Uber does not have a car on their own, but they in their ecosystem, they have the largest number of cars, more than even the big player in the logistic industry. In fact, Uber is not even a logistic company. Uber is a software company. So people don't understand that they make their own money from commission. Just look at what happened to Airbnb that does not have house, but they make a lot of money from the hospitality business. So no matter the type of business you have, there are about 3 things that are important, which you can consider creating system for them gradually. What regard this is that there is something I want to teach my staff. I decided that before I teach them, let me give them a foundational reminder about why I'm doing it. Because you need to have a system for it. Business has 3 stands. A typical business has 3 stands, which is how you get customer, that is lead generation, then lead conversion, how you convert those customers into clients, and the third aspect is how you deliver. That is your delivery system. So you can consider having system for these 3 aspects. And once you have your vision, anything you want to do in your business, be intentional about it. As small as you want to do a bank transfer, you can have a system that any money you want to transfer, there will be a remark. So that even if you are the person that is doing the transfer, your business is not yet big, you don't have a separate standalone accountant. Then by the time your accounting people or data entry people check your bank statement, they understand the details of the transaction just because of the fact that you are detailed in the remark. And because of that, you can have a not to do list of we will never do transfer via USSD. Just an example. It can be as simple as how do you save phone number in your company. So just consider any step you currently do, try to be documenting them and do it in a way that if anybody sees, they will understand it. Even developers used to do this mistake. When they write code, they will not finish the code. They will do it in a way that in the future, they will still need help for somebody. They will still need to be explaining to somebody how to do it. So you need to build your business in a way that if you are not there, somebody else can run with it. And this is just like a foundational content for it. So the basic thing is that be intentional in the way you do all your things in the business. Even from the way you even do your file naming structure, the way you name your file matters. the first step is for you to have a solid vision for your business, because with your vision will determine a lot of things. Then the next step is for you to be intentional in your documentation, so that even if you want to have other branch tomorrow, somebody else can pick it up from there. Just like look at this restaurant business. If you hit in Genesis Fast Food or Kilimanjaro, Port Harcourt, or VI, it's the same taste of the food, because they have a checklist for their recipe. Same thing is Coca-Cola. Either I drink Coca-Cola in Aba or in Lagos, it's still the same taste, because they have a default recipe they use. I believe as an entrepreneur, we will have got some value from this. Even in our life, we can also systemize our life. There is a system to handle everything we do. So let's not just watch this video. Let's try and take steps in documenting, in jotting some of the action points we got from this video, and implement it in your business today, or even your personal life. The more the system, the better. Entrepreneurship is very interesting, but we need to learn it. We need to continue to hone our skill. We need to continue to innovate, because if you don't innovate, you can die. When I say die, your business can die. Thank you.